Find your niche. Scroll through your shorts feed, identify channels that are posting viral shorts, and see if it's the type of content you'd like to post yourself. Create a list of these channels and analyze their content. Track these channels on Social Blade and look for at least 100 million total views, consistent uploads, and high and steady views on videos. Engage with content in your niche, like, comment, and subscribe to relevant channels. This will train your feed to show more inspiring content. Use tools like CapCut to make videos. Your mission is to make sure the viewers don't scroll your video away, so start with a visually captivating clip. Ask yourself, would this stop me from scrolling? For commentary or storytelling niches, make your hook dramatic and direct. Using words like you, this, or so can help create a stronger connection with the viewer. For example, so you won't believe how good this course is. Make your videos compact, cut gaps, and keep visuals moving. If you're using a voiceover, avoid monotone delivery. To keep viewers engaged, ensure your content is dynamic and well edited. Make sure your videos align with YouTube's ad policies to ensure they are eligible for monetization. Post daily and track your performance. Use analytics to refine your content and find what works best. Repeat the process until you're consistently growing.